Like geddytrey on stuff, whooshy gives a proper reaction.
And now for something completely different.
Hey family, welcome back. So yesterday was my introduction to V, or Taehyung. Is that how you say his name? I'm not sure, but thank you very much for all of the comments that were explaining more things about BTS and about V in particular. I wasn't joking when I said he had soul. I heard it from the very first instinct. Oh, all I want to hear is that guy's voice again. I want to hear baritone, but I'm also very interested to find out how BTS and the label incorporate V into the group dynamic, because his voice is standalone. So, although, to be fair, same with Jimin. That set me free party. Without further ado, let's check this one out. Subtitles on, let's go. Rainy days. Loops go wheeling. Oh, that little pinch of bass there. I already feel like I know where this track's going already. I mean, beat-wise, I have no idea about lyrics. I have no idea. He said loops go wheeling, and that makes sense in the fact that loops are circular and wheels are also circular. Loops go wheeling, but also like there were a lot of regular everyday noises in there, but that's like the looping of everyday life. Do you know what I mean? It's like one big circle. Oh, let's go.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone, a cage, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 맨날 time with you was so amazing.
Oh, speaking of so amazing, Rev, the way that he pulled that back and then the bass hit again. Oh, he's riding this beat. A lot of people yesterday were saying that the track "Love Me Again" was very repetitive, but I think that was meaningful. It's the repetitive nature, and he's even talking about it here too. It's a looping sense of the same repetitive thoughts over and over again. And he's even speaking in this one about feelings of like wanting to get something back or somebody back, you know. It's again the same thing, which makes sense with the whole looping theme.
Find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone, a cage, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 맨날 time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시 can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like
It's crazy.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 let me make up for all the time we lost.
The soul in this man's voice, I swear. The depth, the soul. When he came back in there, this is like more of a like melodic rap flow as opposed to the first half of this song, where I think it's half of this song, but he's gone more melodic with it. It's been more of a singing nature. This feels more like rap. This so far is very, very nice. Very nice. This is a song that I would genuinely listen back to again. Love Me Again, not so much, but this bangs. There's piano accompaniment as well.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy.
I find it very like the visuals in this one. I find it very nice how he's sort of pining for this love, this relationship, this friendship, whatever it is. He's pining for it on rainy days, and even to fill that void, he's like giving himself to his artistry. You know, whether that's writing or he's painting or he's creating sculptures or he's drawing, whatever that is. He's almost using either the memories of this person as a muse for the creativeness, or creating for the purpose of trying to block out those memories. Either one, the way that this has been visually represented, beautiful, because he is literally on his own. It's like solitary confinement. It's like if I don't have that feeling that I once needed, if I can't have that again, I need to be by myself because there's nothing better for me. I want to go all the way back for his verse. This is a very nice song.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find
That golden
the
ratio.
way right back to you. On rainy days like
Woo! That piano. And I think it is in the absence, because you hear like you hear the from the iPhone Messenger. You hear that noise as if like that's what the beat needs. You know, the beat needs that other person. The beat needs that connection. And whether he's rapping about it or he's singing about it, all that person's actually there to become that music he needs. He feels like he needs it, you know. And this whole track representative of that. It was very nice, very, very nice. Apparently I only have one member of BTS to check out, and that's Jin. And then after that I've done all the members singularly. I still have to check out some works, obviously, but I'm kind of stuck just on Sugar at the minute, so that's the rap in me. I'm just a huge fan. But Set Me Free Part 2, that was a brilliant start. The other song of Jimin I did check out. I think it was it something about a party? But I wasn't really too much of a fan of that one. Set Me Free Part 2 was like La Ultima. But then for V, it's like the other way around. Like Love Me Again showed off his tone and his range so well. A beautiful soul melody, but then this one, beat selection, the lyrics, the visual representation of it, how he rode the beat as well. In the bits where he was doing his rapping bit, that over, and then clover, he sort of like paused before he said over and before he said clover. There was a pause, and that's the only sort of thing that somebody who's seasoned within like hip hop, R&B, that's something that only they would put into that. Do you know what I mean? Because it represents something. They don't just pause for no reason. Okay, well, I definitely need to check out BTS at some point, whether I do it here or on the Patreon. Don't hate me either way. But I'm sure I'll enjoy some of it. I'm sure. I'm sure. I'm more than sure. The beat selection from Sugar and now from V. I need to check out more stuff. So, comments down below, recommendations, suggestions, love, hate, whatever you want to put in the comments down below. I'm here for it all. Been your boy, Teddy Ground Stuff. Juice.